President Trump's actions on immigration, first steps on that border wall, also targeting sanctuary cities with sanctions. They are drawing fire across the country and overseas. More to come today as he tees up new executive orders, meets with congressional Republicans. So let's go straight to Jon Karl at the White House. Good morning, John.
Good morning, George. President Trump is traveling to Philadelphia today to huddle with House Republicans at their annual retreat. Huge items on the legislative agenda, like how to replace Obamacare, the $1 trillion stimulus he's talked about. Republicans want specifics, but George, I am told that President Trump is going there in part because he wants to talk about the issue of voter fraud, the unsubstantiated charges of massive voter fraud. He would like Congress to investigate that as well. And I am told by a senior administration official that we could see a presidential directive as early as today ordering an investigation by the executive branch.
So we'll have an executive branch investigation, a congressional investigation, even though we've already learned overnight that at least 3 of President Trump's associates were registered in 2 states, one of the problems he identified. Let's go to the executive orders on immigration.
They say that illustrates the problem, by the way.
Okay. We're getting a lot of pushback. Some conservative groups appreciate what the president's doing on enforcement. You've got the ACLU, though, saying this is a deportation force on steroids, and big city mayors across the country really pushing back against the president on immigration.
And they're saying essentially that they will defy the order. Also, governors, one quote from Andrew Cuomo, the governor of New York, he said, as I've said before, I say again today, if there is a move to deport immigrants, I say start with me. Of course, it should be noted, Governor Cuomo was born in Queens, New York.
And John, meanwhile, the Mexican president's saying he is not going to pay for the wall, and they've been in discussions with the administration.
Yes, in fact, he addressed the Mexican people last night, saying Mexico does not believe in walls. I've said it once, and I'll say it again, Mexico will not pay for any wall. And Mexican sources tell us that he's considering canceling his visit that was planned next week to Washington to meet with President Trump.
Okay, Jon Karl, thanks very much.